Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a vegetable dip. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, and a tablespoon of your favorite dried herbs, such as dill or parsley. Fresh herbs can also be used for a brighter flavor. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best consistency when mixing. This simple base is the foundation for a delicious dip. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your sour cream and mayonnaise. Add your chosen herbs, along with 1 teaspoon of onion powder and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Taste the mixture and adjust the seasoning, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. This is where you can truly make the dip your own. Once your dip is perfectly seasoned, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time is crucial, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully for a more cohesive dip. When ready to serve, give it a quick stir. Present your homemade vegetable dip with an assortment of fresh, crisp vegetables like cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, and cherry tomatoes. A sprinkle of fresh chives makes a lovely garnish. Want to get creative? Try adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty kick, or a dash of hot sauce for a little heat. You can also experiment with different spice blends, like a pinch of smoked paprika or a touch of curry powder, to create unique flavor profiles. The possibilities are endless. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade vegetable dip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.